Hello everyone. Today in this class, first I explain you prime number. A prime number is a natural number which can be divided only by itself or by 1. So let us start prime numbers. This one is the Eratosthenes series. So here we have, this one is a table. You can make this table in your copy. 1 is not a prime nor a composite, so we marked it red. Okay, now come to the next 2. 2 is what? 2 is a prime number because it is not divisible by any other number. So the multiples of 2 are not prime numbers because these are divisible by 2. Okay, now next number is 3. 3 is again not divisible by any other number, so we marked it blue. Now the multiples of 3 are divisible by 3, so we marked it red. It means these are not prime number. Next visible number is 5. So it means 5 is not divisible by any other number. So we can say 5 is a prime number and multiples of 5 are not prime numbers. Next visible number is 7. So 7 is a prime number because it is also not divisible by any other number, and the multiples of 7 are not prime numbers. Now see how many numbers are left. See this one, 11, 13, 17, 19. These numbers are left. It means these all remaining numbers which are left are prime numbers. Okay, just see this one. The module number 1, page number 7. Now in this one I explain you HCF. HCF means what? H means highest common factor. Okay, this is the meaning of HCF. Now how do we calculate HCF by division method? This I explain you right now. First question that is given in your book. Now just see how do we calculate HCF by division method. By which method? Division method. Division method. Okay, so how do we calculate? First, 33 is a smaller one number, so that we divide 121 by 33. By which number? 33. So now see, 33 we multiply 33, if we multiply 33 by 3, so it will be equal to 3 3s are 9, and it is also 9. Now further also we can check 33 multiplied by 4, 4 3s are 12, and 1 4 3s are 12, and this is 13. I think so this one is more than 99. So which one we will take? Tell me. So we take 99, means 33 3s are 99. Now subtract them. 11 minus 9 is now borrow the number, subtract them, and it is equivalent to 11 minus 9 is equal to 2, and it is again 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Now what we do next? We take this number, we divide this number by this remainder. What we do here? We divide this number by the remainder of this number, this one. So 33 we write it down here, and it is 33 ones are 22 ones are 22, and it is again subtract them 1. Now what we do next? This one is a remainder. What we do next? Again we do the same thing. We divide this number by the remainder of this number, that is 22. 2s are 22. Now it is completely divisible. So from which number we this one is completely divisible? 11 is the number. So the HCF is 11. I am explaining you this question again. First you divide 121 by 33. 33 3s are 99. Subtract them, you will get 22. Now what we do next? We write down 33 here and divide this 33 by the remainder of this one. Divided 22 ones are 22. Subtract them, 11 is here. Now what next? Write down this number here and divide this number by the remainder of this one. So it is 11. 11 2s are 22 and now it is completely divisible. By which number? 11. 11 is the last number from which we divided this whole number. So this one, HCF is equivalent to 11. So the HCF is 11. Okay. Let us take, I am taking C part, that is 36 and 148. I am taking this number 36 and 148. Now what we do next? Again we have to calculate HCF by division method. So we divide 148 by 36. 36 by 4. So it is equivalent to 144. So we can divide it by, so write down 4, it is equivalent to 144. Now subtract them, so it is equivalent to 4. So subtract them, that is, so after subtraction we will get the answer 4. Now what we do next? Again we do the same process that we followed in last question. What we do here? We divide this number by the remainder of this one. So this is 36. 4 9s are 36. So this is the last number, so that the remainder will be 0. So HCF is equivalent to 4. Understand, students? So I think from this way you can solve all the questions given in your module 1. So complete module 1. Okay. Just see, now come to the module number 2 and the question is 66, 121 and 165. Here we have to again calculate the HCF of the number or HCF of these numbers. Then what we do here? We take any of the two numbers. Let's take first I am taking these two numbers here. Again we find the HCF from these two numbers. So we divide 66 and 121. So 66 2s are, let us calculate. 2s are 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and this is 13. So it is more than this one, so we take 66. Now subtract them, 121 minus 66. So it is equivalent to what? So it is 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Then again 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. 55. Now what do we next? Again this one is a remainder. So what we do here? Again we divide this number by the remainder of this one. 51 ones are 55 ones are 55. Again you subtract it and here you will get 11. This one is a remainder. Again what we do next? We divide this number by 11. So it is 11 5s are 55 and no remainder is left. So the from here we can calculate 11 is the HCF. Now what we do here, but one number is left, 165 is left. So what we do here, we find out the HCF from these two numbers. HCF of these two numbers, that is 11 and 165. We calculate HCF from these two numbers. Then how do we calculate? Just see here. Again we write down 11 in the smallest number, so we write down here 11 ones are 11. Subtract them, 1 5. 11 ones are 11 again. 4 is there. So the 4 is a remainder. So what we do next? We divide this 11 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. So we write down here. So what is left? 3 is left. Again we divide. This one is a remainder. So again we divide this 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3. So what is left? 1 is left. Again we divide this 3. 1 3s are 3. Now it means 1 is the last number from which we divided the last number. So HCF is, so the HCF is 1. HCF is only 1. Okay. So in this way you can calculate. Understand, students? Now I explain you one more question, that is from module number 2. The B question is 85, 153 and 204. Here you have to calculate its HCF by division method. So let's take any of the two numbers. I am taking these two numbers. Again we divide them. Divide it. 80, if we multiply 85 into 2, let us multiply 85 into 2. It is 170. Okay, so what we do here, we write down 1. 85 ones are 85 is equal to 8, and 14 minus 8 is equal to 68. Now what we do next, we divide this number by the remainder of this one, that is 85. Again we can divide it by 1 once. 68 we write down here. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7, and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Okay, what we do next, we divide this 68 by the remainder of this one, 68. So it is divisible by, so 17 fours are 68. Nothing is left. So it means 17 is the number, that is the HCF of these two numbers. So we divide 17 and 204. We calculate HCF from these two numbers. What we do next? Write down here 17 here and 204. 17 ones are 17, 3 and 4. 17 twos are 34. Nothing is left. So it means 17 is a HCF of these two numbers. So it means HCF is 17. Okay everyone? Thank you.